YouTubes. Making a U-turn. Alright, we're gonna go look at a Hoshizaki. It's brand new. I'm not sure if I understood the customer correctly. Yeah, there I am in my bat flu outfit. Hey, everybody. You can't tell if I'm sticking my tongue out at you or not. So we got a new Hoshizaki. Made ice the first night, the guy said, and then he says all it does is circulate water. I've never seen that happen before, so I can't wait to get out here and see what's going on. Let's see what's happening. So it worked. I guess it worked for a bin. I guess they're saying it's not working. Let's see what's going on. So we go circulate ice. All right, we get our water fill. So that's our sequence of operation. We're gonna fill, prove our flow twitch, go into harvest. Thermistor sees 40 degrees, and then we go into freeze mode. So let's see what happens. I kind of like to just watch and see and observe things. Filling up good. Filling her up. Compressor kicks on. We're in harvest. So our hot gas valve is in the front now. This is the strainer, hot gas strainer, hot gas valve. Bypass the CXV up to the evaporator. Alright, now we're in the freeze mode. Water pump's on. We're going to go into the freeze mode. I don't know if you guys can see it in there. There's a chunk of ice stuck in there. Get my flashlight. Around the corner. There's a backup of some ice in there. We got to check that out. That's my issue. I bet it backed up and it either hit the bin stat right there or something. Now I know what my problem was. Let me get to digging here. These are good calls because then you start double checking yourself. There's some level that way. Let's see what we got this way. Pretty close. Pretty close. We could pick that front end up a hairball, see? Just a hairball. we'll watch it. We got to watch it at harvest. Then they got this bracket now for the bin switch. They got this bracket in there now for the bin switch, and I'm wondering if that's getting in the way. So we gotta watch it and then see how it comes out of there. We'll get this corner up a hairball. In the bubbles. Let's make sure we're still good this way. Alright, now let's see what happens and see. I want to see if it's hanging up on that bracket. Maybe the ice guide's not. I want to check the back of that ice guide to make sure it's in the right spot. That's always a pain in the ass. That's the problem. It's sticking in. That's the problem. It's sticking out on this side. I might have figured out the problem. I think the ice guide, if you look back there, let me see if I can mark it for you. The old Zoomer-Risky. Now you can see down there the ice guide's all flush. I think it was that corner right there was popped up. I'm pretty sure that was the issue. And there's our bin bracket, bin switch bracket, thermostat, bin thermostat bracket. Now you can see that's about a problem when we get the phone down in there. That's now you can see that's the ice guide on the bottom there. Now you can see it's all flush. So let's watch it drop and we can watch the ice come off the ice guide. Maybe that's why it was hanging up in that corner, because that end was poked out. So hopefully this is up higher now. And that ice will slide off of there. We'll take a look. It shouldn't have looked chunky like that either. We'll see how it harvests. Alright, so our freeze mode is going good. While it's in freeze mode, you can check your hot gas, see if your hot gas valve's bypassing. Like on this one, it's not. So we're good. We're using up most of the water, so we're getting really close to harvest. And then I took the these two thumb screws out from the bin thermostat access port. Will watch the ice as it harvests coming off the grid, make sure nothing's sticking. Double check, make sure our bin's level. We got a little more extra level. And thinking the problem's going to be that ice guide and that back corner. The back corner of that ice guide was popped up and over. I think that's going to be our issue. I hope. Here we go. We just went into the harvest. Our hot gas is coming in. All right, here we go. Kind of peeking in right there and taking a look. coming down here. What they do now is they kick on the water pump at the end of the harvest cycle. It's in the logic on the boards now. Yeah, nothing's sticking. Just trying to look through here to see, make sure it's all going, coming down. It's still in the harvest mode right now, so we still got hot gas coming in. And with our thermistor, there it goes. Now we just went back into the freeze mode. And I want to see how the ice guide's looking over there. Yeah, it looks good. Nothing stuck on there. Nothing stuck on that corner. So, I think that corner over there was up and out, and it was making a log jam right here on this end. Because instead of the guide being like that, that end was kicked up. Pretty sure that was my problem. Pretty sure that corner down there was poked up. Let's get her all back together and see how she does. I just reached up there with the ice to make sure the bin stat shuts off within 6 seconds, and it did. Now it's restarting. So the bin thermostat's good. I think that call's actually on me. I don't remember checking the ice guide after my startup on that ice maker. I do remember checking the bin stat, but not the ice guide. So I'm gonna take that one. That one's on old NorCal Dave. How many of you guys believe in those chemtrail conspiracies? Watch this. X marks the spot, boys. Look at that. Right over. That's right over the university. The university is in those hills right there. Look at that. X marks the spot for the chemtrails. That's probably how they dial in all their stuff. For all you chemtrail conspiracy guys. I'm not making this up. Look, it's right there. Leave a comment below what you guys think of that. All right, I'll leave you guys on that freaky conspiracy note. Like, subscribe, and we'll check you on the next one. Do 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 do.